Okay, guys, we're going to attempt another Dutch pour, a little different this time. We're just going to see. Okay. I've got some black mixed up for my background instead of white. It may be still not quite thin enough, but we're just going to go with it tonight. Okay. Something's in it right there. Let's get that out. Okay. Whoo, here goes, guys. We're going to blow it just a little bit, the black around. Okay. Blow it on cool, guys. Blow it on cool. Pop any air bubbles that might be yet. Got to get me another torch. My torch decided to quit working, but it's okay. We ain't worried about it. Okay, let me just fill in these two little spots. And I'm not going all the way out. I may have to in a little bit, but I have an idea. We're just going to try. We're just going to try. Just going to fix those so those are all covered. Okay, here goes. Let's see what we want to start with. And guys, I'm just playing. This may turn out to be nothing. I mean, be honest with you. May turn out to be a goop, but I guarantee it'd probably be pretty to us because, you know, we hadn't done a whole lot of it. So, we're just going to play around with it and see what we get. Okay, I think that's going to be good enough. Let's bust our bubbles again. Okay, here goes, guys. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. I'm just pushing my black up onto my picture. Okay? Then we're just going to blow out. That didn't turn out exactly like it's supposed to, but we're going to see. Here's where the mess is coming in. Whoops. Split it. Has it covered on all the sides? Let's see. Nope. This side over here, whoop, is not covered. I'm going to have a mess here. But y'all see those sails? See if that side got covered. Now let's see if all this... Oh my goodness, look at the sails. Covered. Okay, guys. Nope. Yep. All the sides are covered. So there's our picture. It's gorgeous. Look at all those sails that popped up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I didn't make too big a mess. I mean, it made a little bit. But it didn't fly out like I thought it would do. Of course, I couldn't spin it like I needed to either. So let's bust our bubbles again. And sometimes when you bust your bubbles, then you even get more sails. But I can tell you the reason that I put the black up on our little puddles was because I added some glue to the black, and that's what makes it make sails. Wow. Something right there. Not. Wow. That is amazing. Wow. This one right here I ain't crazy about. He's a little boring compared to all around here. But he's still pretty. So, wow. Let me see if I can just tilt it just a little bit so y'all can see it. Look at that. Yay. Okay. Wow. And I didn't have the mess I thought I was going to have. And this is amazing, guys. Amazing. Wow. I'm just amazed. I can't wait to see how many sails pop up because of the black that was underneath. Because even this that I blew over this way, it still went over the black. So probably more sails will pop out there too. This is just amazing. Wow. Okay. That's it. Did it not turn out absolutely stinking fantabulous? It amazes me what you can do with paint. There's a lot of crackle right here in that big part. Look at that. That was not an effect I was expecting. Let's see how it shows that black. Because remember, black was our base color. So it shows the black through it. That's just amazing to me.